Celebrity Apex is one of the newer ships in the Celebrity Cruises fleet, and if you know anything about the Edge class, you already know this ship does something unusual. It features an infinite veranda design, which is not just a marketing term. Instead of a traditional balcony with a sliding door and a separate outdoor space, the infinite veranda brings the outside in. The balcony railing drops down at the touch of a button, merging your cabin with the open air. It is a genuinely different experience from the standard balcony setup you find on most cruise ships, and it is worth understanding before you book. Celebrity Apex launched in 2021, making it one of the most recently built ships in the Celebrity fleet. It is part of the Edge class, which includes Celebrity Edge, Celebrity Beyond, Celebrity Ascent, Celebrity XL, and Celebrity Excite. The ship measures approximately 130,000 gross tons, though sources vary slightly on the exact figure. It carries between 2,910 and 3,521 passengers depending on how many berths are filled, with a crew of around 1,300 to 1,320. That gives you a decent crew-to-passenger ratio, which usually translates to better service. The ship has 15 decks in total, with 10 of those decks containing passenger cabins. There are 1,467 staterooms on board, which is a substantial number, but the layout and design of the Edge class make it feel less crowded than older ships with similar capacities. One of the most distinctive features of Celebrity Apex is its inverted bow. This is not just for looks. The design improves fuel efficiency and provides a smoother ride in rough seas. If you have ever been on a cruise where the bow slams into waves and you feel every impact in your cabin, you will appreciate the difference. The inverted bow cuts through the water rather than pounding over it, which makes a noticeable difference in comfort, especially on transatlantic or longer open ocean crossings. Another standout feature is Eden, a 3-story space that functions as a restaurant, bar, lounge, and entertainment venue all at once. Eden is located at the aft of the ship and features floor-to-ceiling windows that offer sweeping views of the ocean. During the day, it serves as a relaxed lounge and dining space. In the evening, it transforms into a performance venue with live music, theatrical shows, and immersive entertainment. The space is designed to feel like a modern greenhouse with natural materials, greenery, and an open, airy layout. It is one of the most visually striking areas on the ship and a major selling point for the Edge class. Celebrity Apex sails a mix of Caribbean and Mediterranean itineraries, with ports of call including St. Kitts, Key West, San Juan, and Puerto Plata in the Caribbean. Key West is a popular stop, and the ship markets access to the largest coral reef in North America as part of the experience there. The itineraries are designed to offer a mix of beach destinations, cultural stops, and scenic cruising, though specific excursion details and tender versus docked access information are not fully documented in available sources. Now let's talk about the staterooms. The Infinite Veranda cabins are the most talked about feature, and they make up a significant portion of the accommodations on Celebrity Apex. These cabins eliminate the traditional balcony divider and instead feature a wall of glass that opens to merge the indoor and outdoor space. When the veranda is closed, you have a floor-to-ceiling window with an unobstructed view. When you press a button, the lower portion of the glass retracts into the floor and the railing lowers, turning your cabin into a seamless indoor-outdoor space. The design maximizes square footage and makes even a standard balcony cabin feel larger and more open. It is particularly effective in cooler climates or when the ship is moving at higher speeds, because you can enjoy the fresh air and views without the wind whipping through your cabin. The Infinite Veranda is not for everyone, especially if you prefer a traditional outdoor balcony where you can sit completely outside, but it is a clever use of space and a genuine innovation in cruise ship cabin design. Beyond the Infinite Veranda cabins, Celebrity Apex offers a full range of stateroom categories, though detailed descriptions of each type are limited in the available information. You can expect inside cabins, ocean view cabins, balcony cabins, and a variety of suite categories. Suites on Celebrity ships typically come with additional perks such as priority boarding, access to exclusive lounges, and upgraded amenities. The exact breakdown of suite types on Celebrity Apex is not fully documented in the provided sources, but the ship follows the same general structure as other Edge-class vessels, which means you will find options ranging from standard suites to more luxurious penthouse-style accommodations. The ship has 1,467 staterooms in total, so there is a wide range of options depending on your budget and preferences. Inside cabins on Celebrity Apex are a solid choice if you are looking to save money and do not plan to spend much time in your room. These cabins do not have windows or natural light, but they are efficiently designed and offer all the basic amenities you need for a comfortable cruise. Ocean view cabins add a window, which makes a noticeable difference in terms of ambience and the overall feel of the space. If you are someone who likes natural light and the ability to check the weather or see where the ship is docked without leaving your cabin, an ocean view is a worthwhile upgrade. Balcony cabins, particularly the Infinite Veranda design, are the sweet spot for many cruisers. They offer the best balance of space, views, and value, especially on longer itineraries where you will spend more time in your cabin. Suites on Celebrity Apex come with a higher level of service and access to exclusive areas of the ship. Suite guests typically enjoy perks such as priority embarkation and disembarkation, access to a private lounge, complimentary drinks, and upgraded dining options. The exact suite categories and their specific amenities are not fully detailed in the available information, but Celebrity is known for offering a strong suite experience, and the Edge-class ships are designed to take that to the next level. If you are considering a suite, it is worth comparing the benefits across different categories to see which perks matter most to you. Some suite guests value the extra space and privacy, while others are more interested in the exclusive dining and lounge access. Dining on Celebrity Apex is one of the highlights of the ship, though specific details about individual restaurants and their menus are not fully documented in the available sources. Celebrity Cruises is known for its elevated dining experience, and the Edge-class ships take that reputation seriously. You can expect a mix of complimentary main dining rooms, specialty restaurants, casual dining options, and unique culinary experiences. The ship is designed to offer variety, with options ranging from traditional sit-down dinners to more relaxed buffet-style meals and grab-and-go options for when you are on the move. Eden, the three-story venue mentioned earlier, also functions as a dining space. During the day, it offers a more casual, lounge-style menu with lighter fare and creative cocktails. In the evening, it shifts to a more formal dining experience with a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients and artistic presentation. The atmosphere in Eden is unlike any other dining venue on the ship, with live performances and an immersive environment that changes throughout the day. It is a space that blurs the line between restaurant, bar, and entertainment venue, and it is one of the most talked-about features of the Edge class. Specialty dining on Celebrity Apex likely includes a range of options, though specific restaurant names and cuisines are not fully detailed in the available information. Celebrity ships typically offer Italian, French, Asian, and steakhouse options as part of their specialty dining lineup, and the Edge-class ships are known for elevating those experiences with modern design and high-quality ingredients. Specialty dining comes at an additional cost, but it is often worth it for special occasions or if you want a break from the main dining room. The focus is on quality over quantity, with smaller, more intimate venues that offer a more personalized dining experience. Bars and lounges on Celebrity Apex are spread throughout the ship, offering everything from craft cocktails to wine tastings to casual beers by the pool. The ship is designed to encourage socializing and exploration, with different bars offering different atmospheres and drink menus. Whether you prefer a quiet corner with a glass of wine or a lively rooftop bar with live music, there are options to suit different moods and preferences. The exact number and names of bars and lounges are not fully documented, but the Edge-class ships are known for their creative approach to bar design and their focus on craft cocktails and premium spirits. Pools and sun decks on Celebrity Apex are designed to offer a mix of relaxation and activity, though specific details about pool sizes, layouts, and features are limited in the available information. Celebrity ships typically offer a main pool area with loungers, whirlpools, and a poolside bar, as well as additional deck space for sunbathing and outdoor activities. The Edge-class ships are known for their innovative use of outdoor space, with features such as the Magic Carpet, a cantilevered platform that moves up and down the side of the ship and serves different functions depending on its location. When positioned at the pool deck level, the magic carpet can serve as an extension of the pool area, offering additional seating and bar service with stunning ocean views. The pool deck on Celebrity Apex is likely divided into different zones, with some areas designed for families and others reserved for adults. This separation helps create a more relaxed atmosphere in the adults-only sections while still providing plenty of space for families with kids to enjoy the pool. The exact layout and amenities of the pool deck are not fully detailed in the available sources, but you can expect a well-designed space with plenty of loungers, shade options, and easy access to food and drinks. The pool deck is a central hub of activity during sea days, and the design of the Edge-class ships ensures that even when the ship is full, there is enough space to find a comfortable spot. Whirlpools are a standard feature on most cruise ships, and Celebrity Apex likely has several located near the main pool area. These are a popular spot in the evenings, especially on cooler nights or when the ship is sailing through more temperate climates. The combination of warm water and ocean views makes the whirlpools a favorite gathering spot for guests looking to unwind after a day of excursions or onboard activities. The exact number and location of whirlpools on Celebrity Apex are not documented in the available information, but they are a staple of the Celebrity experience and a feature that most cruisers look for when planning their time on deck. Onboard activities on Celebrity Apex are designed to offer something for everyone, though specific details about individual activities and programs are limited in the available information. Celebrity Cruises is known for its focus on enrichment and cultural programming, with activities that go beyond the typical cruise ship entertainment. You can expect a mix of fitness classes, educational lectures, live music, theatrical performances, and interactive experiences. The ship is designed to encourage exploration and learning, with spaces dedicated to art, music, and wellness. Eden, in addition to being a dining and lounge space, also serves as a venue for immersive entertainment. The performances in Eden are designed to be interactive and experiential, with live music, theatrical elements, and audience participation. The space is built to transform throughout the day, with different lighting, music, and performances creating a constantly evolving atmosphere. It is one of the most unique entertainment experiences on any cruise ship, and it is a major draw for guests who want something beyond traditional cruise ship shows. The theater on Celebrity Apex likely hosts a variety of performances, including Broadway-style shows, live music, and comedy acts. The exact lineup of shows and performers varies depending on the itinerary and season, but Celebrity is known for investing in high-quality entertainment that rivals land-based theaters. The theater is designed with excellent sightlines and acoustics, ensuring that every seat offers a great view and sound quality. Whether you are a fan of musicals, stand-up comedy, or live music, the theater on Celebrity Apex is a space worth visiting during your cruise. Fitness and wellness activities on Celebrity Apex are likely extensive, with options ranging from yoga and Pilates to spin classes and personal training sessions. The ship is designed to cater to health-conscious travelers, with a focus on holistic wellness that includes physical fitness, mental relaxation, and healthy dining options. The exact schedule and variety of fitness classes are not fully documented in the available information, but Celebrity ships typically offer a robust lineup of classes throughout the day, with options for all fitness levels. The spa on Celebrity Apex is likely a major feature of the ship, though specific details about treatments, facilities, and pricing are not fully documented in the available sources. Celebrity ships typically partner with well-known spa brands to offer a full menu of treatments, including massages, facials, body wraps, and salon services. The spa is designed to be a sanctuary with a focus on relaxation and rejuvenation. In addition to treatment rooms, the spa likely includes a thermal suite with saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers. Access to the thermal suite is usually available for an additional fee, but it is a popular add-on for guests who want a quiet, adults-only space to relax during the cruise. Fitness facilities on Celebrity Apex are likely state-of-the-art, with a full range of cardio equipment, weight machines, and free weights. The gym is typically located in a prime spot on the ship with ocean views, making it easier to stay motivated during your workout. Personal training sessions and fitness assessments are usually available for an additional fee, and the ship may also offer wellness programs that combine fitness, nutrition, and mental health. The exact amenities and programs are not fully detailed in the available information, but Celebrity is known for its commitment to wellness, and the Edge-class ships are designed to take that commitment to the next level. Wellness programs on Celebrity Apex may include meditation classes, nutrition workshops, and spa-inspired activities such as aromatherapy or sound healing. These programs are designed to complement the physical fitness offerings and provide a more holistic approach to health and wellness. The exact schedule and variety of wellness programs are not documented in the available sources, but Celebrity ships typically offer a range of options that cater to different interests and wellness goals. Whether you are looking to start a new fitness routine, deepen your meditation practice, or simply relax and recharge, the wellness offerings on Celebrity Apex are designed to support your goals. Ports of call for Celebrity Apex include a mix of Caribbean and Mediterranean destinations, with confirmed stops in St. Kitts, Key West, San Juan, and Puerto Plata. Key West is marketed as a gateway to the largest coral reef in North America, which makes it a popular stop for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. The exact itineraries and shore excursions vary depending on the season and sailing, but Celebrity is known for offering a mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation at each port. The ship is designed to spend enough time in each port to allow guests to explore on their own or participate in organized excursions. Shore excursions on Celebrity Apex are likely varied and tailored to each destination, though specific details about excursion types and offerings are not fully documented in the available sources. You can expect options ranging from guided city tour and cultural experiences to adventure activities such as ziplining, snorkeling, and hiking. Celebrity works with local tour operators to offer excursions that highlight the best of each destination, with a focus on authenticity and quality. Whether you prefer to explore on your own or join a guided tour, the shore excursions on Celebrity Apex are designed to enhance your overall cruise experience. Tender ports versus docked access is an important consideration when planning your shore excursions, though specific information about which ports require tendering on Celebrity Apex itineraries is not documented in the available sources. Tender ports require guests to take a smaller boat from the ship to shore, which can add time and complexity to your day. Docked ports allow you to walk directly off the ship, which is more convenient and gives you more time to explore. If you are someone who values efficiency and ease of access, it is worth checking whether your itinerary includes tender ports and planning accordingly. Now, let's keep it real. Celebrity Apex is a well-designed ship with a lot to offer, but no ship is perfect. The Infinite Veranda cabins are innovative, but they are not for everyone. If you prefer a traditional outdoor balcony where you can sit completely outside, you may find the Infinite Veranda setup less appealing. The design is best suited for cooler climates or when the ship is moving at higher speeds, but in hot, humid ports, the lack of a fully enclosed outdoor space can be a drawback. Additionally, the ship is relatively new, and while that means modern amenities and updated design, it also means fewer years of guest feedback and refinement. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive, though no ship is perfect and your experience may vary depending on cabin category and itinerary. What makes Celebrity Apex genuinely different is the combination of the Infinite Veranda design, the inverted bow, and the Eden experience. These are not just marketing gimmicks. They are thoughtful design choices that change the way you experience a cruise. The Infinite Veranda maximizes space and views, the inverted bow improves ride quality, and Eden offers an entertainment and dining experience that you will not find on other ships. These features are unique to the Edge class, and they are a major reason why Celebrity Apex stands out in a crowded market. The ship is designed for cruisers who value modern design, quality dining, and immersive experiences over traditional